The HuggingFace library is awesome for quickly using pre-trained machine learning models for practical applications. Let's take a look how to stand up a simple application to use Stable Diffusion to generate your own images from text, like these. Let's start with a very brief overview on how Stable Diffusion works so we can understand a bit of what's going on. The process involves both traditional natural language processing and image generation techniques. The model we'll be using has been trained on a large set of images and their text descriptions. After training, the model will have learned some relationship between the text and the visual features in the images. During inference, we start with an input text describing the image that we want the model to generate. This input gets passed to a text encoder that will generate text embeddings that are numerical representations of our input text. The encoded text then goes to the diffusion model that will iterate a number of times to construct an encoded image by adding layers of the visual representations it learned during training. And finally, the encoded output is sent to a final decoder that will produce our resulting image. We've skipped over a lot of the finer details, but now that we have a basic understanding of how Stable Diffusion works, let's use HuggingFace to run it on our own. First, let's pip install the diffusers library and torch and then import them into your file. We're going to create a Stable Diffusion pipeline and specify the pre-trained model we'd like to use. For now, I'm just going to go with Stable Diffusion v1-5 from Runway ML. Let's hardcode the prompt for the image we'd like to generate. Right now, I'd like to see a cat playing chess in Central Park. Finally, let's provide this prompt to our Stable Diffusion pipeline and view the first result image. On the first run, the HuggingFace library will download the pre-trained model and any tokenizers, which could take a few minutes, but these will be cached for future runs. After it's done, you can view the output image in the same directory. Here's the one that was generated from my prompt. Aside from just being fun, Stable Diffusion does have some use cases for your own applications. Some examples are visual storytelling, where you can generate images from snippets of a story, generating textures for games or renders, or creating logos or illustrations for graphic design. That wraps up this video on performing Stable Diffusion with HuggingFace. I hope it's helped show how easily you can integrate machine learning technologies into your own applications. Thanks for watching, and be on the lookout for future videos where we'll look at other models in the NLP and multimodal problem spaces.